it's Jen from Insider, and today we are going to be making miniature ramen using this kit from Popin Cookin. The twist about this is that it's actually all candy. I'm not sure how it's going to go because it looks kind of complicated, but with picture instructions, my limited knowledge of Japanese, and hopefully a little bit of luck, you'll be able to create something really awesome. So we have our little gyoza press here. Works like that. Oh, that's really cool. We have a little ramen bowl, and we have another mold for the tamago egg and the natto fish cake, and a little mixing bowl. Very convenient. Ooh, oh my gosh. We made a dumpling. That's the ugliest dumpling I've ever seen.
That looks great.
So we finished making the dough for the ramen, and we're gonna scoop it into this piping bag that we got here. Make sure that there's no air bubbles. You don't wanna have chunky noodles. I mean, chunky noodles, can't discriminate. All noodles are good noodles. All right, let's see how it goes. No way! Oh my gosh. Have you ever seen such a satisfying noodle pool in your entire life? This looks like real ramen. Itadakimasu. Okay. The noodles themselves tastes like a limp, wet noodle, but it looks so lifelike, I can't be mad. So we have our dumpling here. It's very cute. It looks exactly like something my mom would make. Let's give it a go. It tastes exactly like the Japanese soda called Ramen. So they have a very distinct soda flavor in Japan, with a little bit like citrusy bubblegum. I think it's definitely for a novelty kind of experience. I think this would be so fun to do with like friends, or if you're babysitting and you want a fun thing to do to keep the kids engaged. It's completely edible. It's super easy to do. I definitely would buy this again. I want to try different other foods and see how they put a twist on this, because the experience of squeezing the noodles into the broth and having everything come together, especially with these little dumplings, it's so satisfying.